Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA WG7250 printer on your Windows, Linux, or macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA WG7250 support into Google. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon domain. This is Canon support for WG7250. Go ahead and open that up. And now if you scroll down here underneath software and drivers, there should be an item that says WG7000 series WG drivers. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. You want to go ahead and select yes to begin the installation here. And then you just want to walk through the on-screen directions about setting it up and configuring it to your printer. It's a very straightforward and simple process from here, guys, on how to do it. And you just would walk through the wizard setup here and agree to license terms and just follow through, whether you're using a network connection or a USB-based connection here. And then just select next and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.